guys, we're super excited to have you all here for our Tenere 700 event. We're going to ask everyone what they think about the bike today. I know everyone's been waiting for it for a long time. So yeah, let's get some opinions on the bike.
Yeah, super excited for the bike. Looks even better in person, and can't wait to get on it. I've been waiting a long time, so I'm sure a lot of people have. It'll be good.
This bike, I've been waiting since concept. 4 years, three and a half years, and now it's here. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, deposit done. I know I've got lightweight dual sport bikes, and as I get older, I want to expand my range. So this bike is going to do it for me. You know, get me up those logging roads and the highway. You know, lightweight dual sports don't do the highway as good. So yeah, this is 700 twin. Keeps the insurance down, you know, which is important. Yeah, when it comes. We like Christmas.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm very excited about the new bike. I've got a 690 KTM that just sits in my garage. You know, that's my travel bike. Now I've got this Yamaha coming up, so really excited about that. I have a 1200 Super T, which I'm going to ride on the road traveling, and then I'll use this for my book club meetings and just booting around town. So I'm very, very happy that they finally bringing it to Canada.
Hey, I just want to say I'm super stoked that I put a deposit down on the bike, and it looks even better in person than on video. Can't wait till June. It's going to be awesome.
Have a seat, see how it feels, and thanks for joining us right here at GM Checkpoint in beautiful Port Coquitlam.
Oh, you gotta get the silk, that's for sure. Well guys, this is the wrap on a great event. We had just a great day here today. The weather was awesome. And one of the coolest things I thought today was how many people rode here in the middle of November, like at the beginning of November. So it was awesome to see a great turnout.